Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps in iPhone. So guys, if you are unable to download apps from your App Store and it is not downloading your apps, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And after this, go back and then scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back, tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. And then you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button and restart your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply make it sure that your internet connection is working properly and your internet connection is not weak. So guys, if you're using a weak internet connection, then you may face this issue again and again. So guys, use a strong internet connection, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.